Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ignite Technology. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your local development environment. A local host that enables you to run your website locally on your system and not run it on a server online. Okay, this local developer environment will enable you to run your host locally, or run your website locally on your desktop or on your laptop computer. So the local development environment we are going to install is XAMPP. I know by now many have been asking, how can I be able to create a website? Maybe a simple website that might be running locally that accepts user data and allows user to log into their different accounts, and also have that admin administrator side that where the admin can be able to be monitoring whatever is happening the user is doing on each of the individual accounts. But the thing you need to get before you do this, you need to know how your PHP works, your PHP programming works, and also how your my structured query language, your MySQL works. And the thing that gives you the edge of being able to achieve this particular task is your local development environment. And the local development environment we are going to use in this video is the XAMPP. So what's the full meaning of XAMPP? XAMPP is cross-platform Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. This X is a cross-platform. The A is Apache. M is MySQL, meaning the My Structure Query Language. The P is the PHP. The remaining P is the Perl. So all these things are joined together, meaning that XAMPP consists of all these components. So let's look at how we can be able to install our XAMPP. So the first thing you are going to do is make sure your internet connection is stable, and your system is connected to the internet, and also the internet connection is stable. So go to your web browser. Just go to your web browser and type Apache Friends. ApacheFriends.org. Okay, ApacheFriends.org. So it gets you to this window. What are you seeing in the window? It tells you what XAMPP, Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. This MariaDB is also known as MySQL, just that it has been updated, so you can also call it what MariaDB, but it's also known as what MySQL or MariaDB is the same thing. So the next thing we are going to do is to download the one that is exactly meant for the operating system we are using. XAMPP is cross-platform, meaning that it can work in different platforms. So we have XAMPP for Windows, we have XAMPP for Linux, we have XAMPP for OS. Okay, so XAMPP for OS X, that's for Apple. Okay, we have XAMPP for Linux, I have XAMPP for Windows. So the Windows I'm using is Windows 10. So I'll be going to download XAMPP for Windows 10. So I'll go for XAMPP for Windows. I click on it. So it brings me to this page. Either it works in two ways. Either it starts downloading automatically, or if you wait for a while, it doesn't start downloading automatically. The best thing you would do is to click here. Okay, so since we can see that it has started downloading automatically, so let's give it some time to download so that we can be able to install it and see how the installation process looks like. Okay, so like I said before, this a local development environment that will help you to be able to create and run your local website on your local server. Just what I mean by local server is running the website locally on your system, meaning that anybody elsewhere, maybe if the person is far from you, can be able to view your website. But when your website is uploaded to a live server or online server, it can be viewed from any part of the world. Okay, but this XAMPP, that's the local development environment called XAMPP, will only help you to be running your website locally. Okay, it's also enabling you to run your PHP script. Not only your website, it can be able to run your PHP script. It also gives you a edge of connecting your My Structure Query Language or your MariaDB to your PHP script. So that's one of the need of XAMPP. So let's wait. I see our network is a bit fast and it's running. So in no distant time, our XAMPP will be done downloading. So we can start the installation process. So let's look at how it works. So let's just hold on. You can see that it's downloading. Okay. Okay. So it's downloading. Okay. It's still downloading. Okay. In no distant time will be there so that we can begin the installation process. So from day to day, this uh, as a local development environment, they normally do some updates on it. Like they normally do an update for it by changing at times they change the PHP version. So it's always advisable to what stay updated. Okay, it's always advisable to stay what updated. Okay, so that's just the thing. So let's wait while it completes the downloading process. So we almost there. Okay, so our downloading process is done. Okay, our downloading process is done. So we need to get the file. It is being stored in the what default location for download. So you go to your system, go to your default location for downloads, known as downloads. Okay. So look at the file. So what the next are you going to do? You have to double click on it to begin our what installation process. So let's just hold on while the installation process completes. Okay, you click on yes. Okay, Tells you welcome to XAMPP. Okay. Yes. Just say okay. So after installation, you can deactivate, or better still, let's deactivate now. So let's deactivate. You go to your search bar on your taskbar, type user access control. You click on voltage user access control. You turn this down to never notify and click on OK. Okay? Click on yes. So you proceed with your installation. Click on next. So everything is okay by default. Click on next. So that's the location the software is going to install to. So click on next. Click on next. The language is English. Click on next to begin what installation. So it's installing. So you relax, you sit back and relax while it's installed. So our installation is processing already. So let's just give it a time with installation, okay? So let me give it some time to install and complete the installation process. Okay. So we're almost at the verge of completing installation. Okay. The installation process is still running. Okay. So we're almost there. You need to be patient enough while the software installs. Okay. Already it's giving you a description. It tells you that XAMPP is an easy to install Apache distribution containing what? My structure query language. That's your MySQL, PHP, and what? Perl. Okay? Perl is also a programming language. Just like we have Python, we have PHP. Okay? So Perl is also a programming language. So the installation process is almost completing. So let's wait while it completes. Okay? Okay, wow. So the next thing you need to do is you need to what? Allow access. Tells you to allow access for Apache. So I will give a brief explanation. Apache is what that allows you to what? Run your local. So as you have completed the installation, you need to turn on the what XAMPP control panel on. You go to your this PC, go to your local DC, go to XAMPP. That's the folder it has already created. So when you go to XAMPP, you look for your XAMPP what control. So you click on your XAMPP control, you leave it on English US save. Okay. Automatically that's the what control panel. So you can now start your what Apache. So as I was saying, I said that Apache allows you to what run your local website on the local server. Just like in your live server, there is already existing Apache there. Then MySQL is what enables you to connect your PHP script or connect your local website to database in case your website is dealing with what storage of what data, whether the website is locally or is on the live server. MySQL is what helps you to what connect your what website to the what database. So for you to run a website that contains database or have the database connection, you need to what first of all start your Apache, then you start your what MySQL. So when you start two of these, okay, you click on what allow access. So when you start two of these, it will now enable your website to function what properly. So thank you. See you on our next video. Thank you. Please, if you find this content useful, please do like, comment, share, and also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so. So thank you so much. See you on our next video where we'll be talking about how to set up your local website. Okay, how to set up your local website. Since we have completed installation of a local server, so I'm going to teach you on the next video how to install a local website, how to set up a local website. So thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye bye.